I'm Shannon.
Hi, I'm Haley. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm so glad you came in today.
Thanks.
Just before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that I might be taking some notes, so if that's okay with you, then just to help me keep on track and everything.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. And then I guess before we get to like the root of why you came in today, I just want to know a little bit like about yourself, like your age, if you're working, anything like that.
Yeah, I'm 27. I am working right now. I just moved here, a new place, living with my parents, so it's just a lot going on right now.
Has it been a while since you've lived with your parents, or?
No, just a couple months.
Okay.
Just moved back in with them after living on my own, so that's the situation in itself.
Okay. Where were you living previously?
Just a couple hours away down south. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Alright. Were you living alone then, or?
I live with my boyfriend, but he's my ex-boyfriend now. So.
Okay. How long has he been here at?
Just a couple months, so it's all pretty new. Still trying to process. So it's just been hard.
Okay. And you said you're working. Where do you work?
I work at Starbucks.
Okay. How do you like that?
It's okay. I'm still trying to adjust to a new city, but I definitely don't enjoy it as much as I used to. It's just a job, and it's not fun.
How long has it been since you haven't been enjoying
Just since I moved here, really. Since I broke up with my boyfriend and everything, so it's pretty recent.
it? Okay. And is it just you, your parents in the household, or is there any like siblings, or?
Just us three.
Okay. Has your relationship with them been strained, or is it?
A little bit. They can see that I'm torn about just my boyfriend and everything, and moving here and adjusting. But yeah, there's a little bit of tension. Yeah, I'd say there is.
Are you able to like get out and have a social life outside of living with them, or how has that been like independently from them?
That's been okay. I mean, I don't really socialize as much as I used to with my old friends or anything, but they definitely let me do whatever I want to do, do what I have to do, because they know I'm an adult, so they let me do whatever.
That's good. And how long, so you lived on your own and then you moved in with your parents, but how long of a gap between, like, you lived on your own for how long?
Like a couple years.
Okay,
Yep.
so it's been a while since you have been back in your parents' household.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I guess, what is the biggest reason you came in today to speak with me?
I've just been really depressed, and I've been doing things that aren't me, but I don't like that.
When you say depressed, what do you mean? What's that for you?
I just stay in bed. I don't enjoy work at all. I'm not eating right. I'm drinking a lot. That's not like me. So,
Drinking, as in?
just drinking alcohol, and I've been using too. And it's recent, you know. I don't do that. It's not me. So I'm trying to figure out why I keep doing this. I'm not happy with myself.
How, you said drinking and using, how often is that going on?
A couple times a week. You know, I just like, really get into it, and then I really like when I'm doing it, but when I'm, back at home, wake up the next morning, I'm just upset with myself, confused.
Has that been a pattern that's been going on for a while, or?
No, just since I moved back in with my parents,
Okay. And then you said sleeping. What is that? Lack of sleep, or sleeping too much, or?
Like lack of sleep, and then I just don't ever want to get out of bed. I just stay there, and I don't have to work.
Okay.
No motivation to do anything else but just work and party when I want to.
So, like, just like sluggish getting out of bed, it's kind of hard to motivate you in order to do things, or?
Yeah, exactly. I just don't have any motivation to do anything. I don't want to do anything. Nothing makes me happy anymore.
And you keep saying that it was started or onset, it sounds like, when you moved in with your parents, but do you think there was something else that set off that, or just moving in with your parents?
I think it was a little earlier. breaking up with my boyfriend. think the drinking or drug use really happened before I moved in with my parents, but I think that breaking up with my boyfriend really did affect me a lot. It's really hurt me. It's just hard to cope with everything, you know.
Mm-hmm. Was it a mutual decision to break up, or?
Yeah. But I know I miss him, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I just recently saw him and that stirred up some feelings, but I just don't know if I want to get back with him. You know, it just wasn't working out. You know?
Mm-hmm. So what are your thoughts? Confusion right now, or you're? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm definitely confused.
Okay.
I'm just depressed. I'm just sad. I just don't know how to cope. I don't know what to do.
Mm-hmm. And then I guess there's like a few things that usually we talk about regarding depression, and you mentioned like sleep, and has your appetite changed at all?
Not really.
Okay.
It's kind of the same.
Okay. And then your energy level, it sounds like that has changed.
Yeah, no energy. Don't want to do anything. Lazy.
Mm-hmm.
No.
And then loss of interest, you mentioned with your work. What about like socially?
Yeah, I don't hang out with the friends I used to hang out with. Don't really have a lot of friends. I mean, I try to date and stuff, but I just have my ex-boyfriend in the back of my mind, you know. So I'm not socializing like I used to. I'm just kind of filling it with people I don't know, partying with them, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to find happiness in that, so.
Okay. And then I guess this is just a question that we have to ask just to make sure no safety issues, but have you ever had thoughts of like suicide or taking your life?
No, I haven't.
That's good. And then what about concentration? Like, is it difficult for you to keep on task with things, or?
I'd say at work it is kind of hard to focus sometimes. I find myself just thinking about other things and not being effective at work. Yeah, I can say that,
Yeah, that must be hard. And then I guess before this, the sadness and what you call depression, and it definitely sounds like that could be what it is. Before that, what did like a normal life look like to you? Like, what was your normal functioning?
I was happy. No boyfriend, you know. We had a pretty good relationship before we ended it, and I was happy at work. I enjoyed going and enjoyed my coworkers, and I wouldn't party like I do now at all. You know, I wouldn't take drugs. I wouldn't do those stupid things. You know, I was taking care of business and finding happiness in other things. You know, like good things.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
What kind of hobbies? Like, what kind of good things when you say that? What are you interested in?
I like to read a lot.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I like to read, and now I don't at all. I just don't even pick up a book anymore. You know, and my boyfriend and I would go on walks all the time, park and stuff, and I just don't even really do that. You know, parks remind me of him, and I just
Mm-hmm.
want those feelings to come back up, you know.
Yeah, makes sense. I guess you said a lot of it sounds like you miss the relationship with your boyfriend and having him there, and you said it was mutual, but you also said the relationship was good. So what about it caused you to at least have mutual feelings about breaking it off?
It just, I don't think he treated me as good as I wanted. You know, I think I deserved more. And sometimes I think he was doing an okay job. I just needed time to really reevaluate everything. And it's helped moving with my parents, but it's just still hard because I just don't know what I want, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think I deserve better.
Yeah. And when you say deserve better, like how did it make you feel when he, I guess, what did it look like for mistreating, first of all?
We lived together. He didn't like help me out with cleaning or anything. That was really frustrating. I like to clean, but he should have definitely helped me out more. And he would go out with his friends a lot, and I'd be home. wanted to spend time with him. I feel like he didn't really reciprocate that feeling. You know, it's kind of frustrating. And that's basically it.
Okay. And independently, do you feel like you're looking for someone to treat you well, or are you feeling lonely, or right now is it just like a missing feeling?
Well, I miss him and I do feel lonely, but I think that I want someone. I want to find someone who treats me the way I want to be treated. I think that's what I'm looking for.
Okay. Alrighty. Well, thank you so much for sharing all that with me. That definitely takes a lot of trust, and it's awesome that you came in today. And like most people will let things go on for a while, and it's only been a few months, so that's really good. And it's good that you decided to move back in with your parents. I know that can be difficult. Like, I'm young, and it would be hard for me to lose that sense of independence, but it's good that you found a rock somewhere. And I really just admire that you are still working and still like trying to pursue normalcy. But the only small concern I have is just like hoping that you would find I guess a healthier, like you said, you were never into partying or anything before that, so just finding like a healthier way to deal with that. So for this week, maybe instead of, I would just say like be thinking of healthier ways to, I guess, cope. And then like at work, maybe just looking for the things that are making you satisfied, like things that are maybe brightening your day a little bit, and just focusing on those and cherishing those. But thank you so much for speaking with me. I really appreciate it.
Listening.
Thank you.